In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to center text in Excel. By the end, you'll know exactly how to make your text sit neatly in the middle of a cell, so your worksheet looks clean and professional. First, make sure your Excel workbook is open and the sheet you want to format is visible. Start by selecting the cell that contains the text you want to center. You'll know a cell is selected when you see a highlighted border around it, and its contents appear in the formula bar at the top. If you want multiple cells centered the same way, you can select a range instead of a single cell. The same action we're about to take will apply to all selected cells. Taking a moment to select exactly what you need will save you time later. Now look to the ribbon at the top of Excel, specifically on the Home tab. In the Alignment section, click the Center button. It's the icon that shows horizontal lines stacked in the middle. One click will immediately center the text horizontally within the cell. This does not change the data. It simply adjusts how it's displayed. You should see your text move from the left or right edge into the exact middle of the cell, creating a balanced, easy-to-read look. A quick note for clarity. The Center button aligns text horizontally. Nearby, you'll also see vertical alignment options like top, middle, and bottom. Those control where text sits from top to bottom inside a taller cell. If your row height is increased, horizontal centering won't change that vertical position. It just keeps the text centered left to right. Also, don't confuse center with merge and center. Merge and center combines multiple cells into one, and then centers the text in that new merged cell. That can affect sorting and formulas, so only use it when you truly intend to merge cells. For everyday formatting inside a single cell or across separate cells, the standard Center button is the safer choice. If your text still doesn't look quite right after centering, remember that centering doesn't change column width or wrapping. Long text may still be cut off if the column is narrow, and numbers may display differently if the cell is too small. That's normal and separate from alignment. Centering simply places the content in the middle of the cell you've selected. That's all there is to it. Select the cell with the text, then click Center in the Alignment section on the Home tab. With this simple adjustment, your spreadsheets will look cleaner and more polished in seconds.